Hello friends, and in this tutorial I am going to explain you one standalone and important tool that is used to browse the server and monitor the tag. Okay, so what is quick client? So we can say a quick client is an independent application, and you can see when you click this symbol in the configuration window to instantly monitor data for all the configured tags. Okay, so right now here you can see we have a channel 1, device 1, channel 2 and device 2. So here right now I have one PLC that is connected with the Kepserver, and in the device 2 I have a simulator driver. Okay, so suppose if I want to monitor this all the data simultaneously, or we can say if you want if I want to monitor this data instantly that my configuration is working perfectly or not, then how I can do? So according to PPT, this symbol I have to click. Okay, already we have used this tool before the tutorial, but right now we will understand this in the detail. So you can see when I click in the QC this quick client, it will open one another application and another window. Okay, now what will be the benefit of this quick client? So when this will open, what it will show when you click your configure device and channel. So I have clicked on the channel 1 and device 1. So it will show all this monitorable data, my current video size, my rack, my slot, and my this two tag device channel 1 dot device 1 dot speed 1 and channel 1 device 1 speed change. Also it will show what type of data type we have used in the configuration. Okay, also it will show us what is the current value of the data tag of the tag. Okay, also the important thing is that you can change the value of the tag. So if I write asynchronous 2.0 right, and if I write 1 and if I apply it, it will instantly change the value into PLC, and it will instantly get the feedback from the PLC as well as. Okay, you can see when I change this value 1, my speed is changed 500. If I put 0 and if I apply it, my speed will be 1000. You can see here. Now what other things it is showing? It is showing the time stamp. Okay, at what time this value is changed. What is the quality? So here right now we can see my quality is good. So this quality good is showing about the communication, that my communication is good or not. So let me remove the Ethernet cable. When I remove my Ethernet cable, you can see as soon as I remove my Ethernet cable, the quality of the device 1 and speed change tag is changed to bit, because I have removed the Ethernet cable. You can see bit. So as soon as I connect my Ethernet cable into the laptop of the PLC communication, it is changed now good. You can see here. So if you want to check that PLC is connected perfectly or not, then you can check this quality. If this quality is not okay, if it is showing bad or unknown, then you have to understand that something is wrong into the communication. Okay, let's understand another things. You can see here update count. Okay, so whenever I change my tag value, like if I make 1 and if I apply, then whenever tag change from current value, if it is 0 then it will change 1, then it will saying increment in the update count that my value is changed. Okay, so here you can also understand that how much time my tag is changed. Okay, so this is the basic overview of the stack. Okay, right now we have another channel 2 and device 2. We can monitor here also. So you can see channel 2, device 2, channel 2 and device 2. Okay, it is showing also data type, value, timestamp, quality and update count. Okay, now One thing we should understand in this Caps quick client. So here you can see, yes, this one. Yes, when you install the software, when you install the Kepserver EX, it will ask this topic, that which features you want to install. Suppose you want to install only quick client, then you can install it. You have to deselect all the communication server of the communication driver, native client interface, plugins, hardware key, examples and documentation. Only you need to only you need to select OPC quick client. One thing you should understand, that OPC quick client is an independent application. This is the most important word. Okay, let me highlight here. Okay, let me highlight as a red color. So OPC quick client is the independent application. It does not require any driver to communicate with the configuration studio. It is independent application with event log, we can say configuration manager, everything. It is independent. So if you want to monitor any server, any remote located server, then this quick client is useful. Okay, so it is saying that if you want to install only OPC quick client, then it is possible. Okay, so second thing, how if you install only quick client, then how you can turn on this quick client. So suppose you are not using Kepserver EX6 configuration window, means this software. If you not use this whole software, then how you can turn on this quick client? Because right now we have installed this full package. Let me close this. Right now we have installed the full package. That's why I am able to open the quick client from here. You can see I am able to open the quick client from here. So if I click here, my quick client open. But suppose I am not installing the full software. Okay, here you can see I am not installing the full software. Then how I can open the quick client? So here it is the possibility to open the quick client when it is installed as a standalone. So you have to go here at the taskbar and find the EX and Kepserver EX symbol, and just right click here. When you click right, there is one option quick client, and you have to open like this way. When you open the quick client, it will open the same independent application. Okay, so now this quick client is fully blank. Okay, so how you can monitor the tag and how you can add the server, it's an important thing. So here one option, new server. So when you click on this symbol, it will browse the available server. Okay, and we know right now we are using Kepserver EX version 6. So right now it is showing my other OPC server also, but I don't want that. So I am just using Kepware.Kepserver EX. Okay, and I will click OK. So here the event log will show connected to server, and it is saying Kepware.Kepserver.ex.version 6. Now here it is saying that the new group option will open. So I will say new group, and I will say local. I will say local tags. Okay, and I will say OK. Now when you create a group, it will allow to create a new item. So here you can select new item from here, or there is a one option here to create a new item. So when you click new item, it will allow you to browse the text. So when you click here, it will allow you to add the channel 1 and channel 2 text. So when you click channel 1, device 1, okay, and these two texts you can add from here. Okay, So when you click OK, channel 1, channel 2, channel 1, device 1. Okay, when you click here, it will, and when you press here right, it will add the tag, and here you can say that you can add the duplicate item also. So I will not select this one, and here when you select this one, it will change the data type, and you can create OK. So when you click channel 1, device 1, speed 1, it will add this tag. Okay, and right now you can see my value is 500 and my boolean value is 1. Here I can also change my value, so I will say 0. Wait, I will say 0, and if I apply, my value will change here, and now I can say that my tag is now browsable and added into the quick client. Okay, so let me add another items. When I click here the new item, and again I will go to the channel 2. Yes, this channel 2, and again I will go device 2. Here you can see my tag is available. Here I have to double click, that's why my item ID will come here. Okay, data type is native, so when you click on the right click, it will accept the same data type which we have configured. Okay, and you have to just click OK. When you click OK, the value will come here, and the whole data item ID will also come, channel 2 dot device 2 dot temperature. Okay, now here it is possibility that you delete this all tag. Okay, so if I click delete, my item will delete. Okay, so let's do again here. I will delete this one, and I will delete also this one. So now this is the empty thing, and whatever we have did, it will store into the event log. Okay, so let me explain again how we can add the server. So here I will add the server, new server. It will open the available server of my laptop in the local. If you have configured remote, then it will also open here, but right now all the server are in my local. So Kepserver, I will select this one, and I will select OK. After then you have to create new group. I will say local tag. You can put your own name, and I will say OK. Here you will add the item. When the server is configured and browsable OK, then it will come here, and you have to find your channel and device. So right now I have two channels, channel 1 and channel 2. So you can see I have channel 1 and channel 2. Okay, so I want to browse these tags into the independent application. Right now my QC, this quick client, is independent application because right now it is open from here with the taskbar. Okay, so channel 1, device 1, and I will select this speed 1. Okay, so you can see when I click double here, all item ID will came here, and I will right click here, it will find the actual data type. Okay, and I will say OK. Again I will add the item, channel 1, device 1, and speed change, and OK. Now I will add channel 2, device 2 tag. So I will go here, browse the tag, channel 2, device 2, double click on temperature, right click here, OK. So you can see you can browse all this ID from here. Okay, now it is possible to save this file. So if I click on this button, so I will say local text. Okay, and I will save here. So this file is stored as localtext.otc, and this is the open OPC quick client file. Okay, so when you open this we can say quick client file, when you open this quick client again, let me close here, and if I go again on the quick client, right now it is empty because it is independent application. So I have to browse here, and if I click here localtext.otc, it will open the same server settings and same tag. Okay, you can see. So suppose your Kepserver is installed on other server or other remote machine, then what you have to do, you have to just click here, okay, and you have to browse all the things, all the server here, okay, in the remote machine. Or if you want to browse another OPC server, it is also possible from here. Okay, so just browse the server in the quick client and add the tag. That's it. So this is a whole things about the Kepserver, quick client, and I hope you have understand this very quickly. So in this PPT, I have also explained the same thing. In the local machine, I have taken this Kepserver, then I have created a group, and after creating a group, I will add this all tag into the configuration on monitor window. So all the data will came into the monitor window, and you can monitor the data type, value, timestamp, and update count. Okay, so if you have any doubt on the quick client, you can ask me. So let me revise something here. I will close this one, and you can see this is the main software. Okay, main full package of the software. So understand one thing, that when you have a full package of software, you will install the quick client and it will be available to here. So you don't need to configure any server or anything, because it will automatically show you the available configure tag into the main project. Okay, so this is somehow linked with the current project, this quick client. But when you install the quick client independently, okay, install standalone quick client. When you install the standalone quick client, it will be open from here, okay, quick client here. And when you open this quick client, it will not show any project configure project tag. You have to open and browse the available server and add the tab manually to monitor the tag. So this OPC quick client is standalone and independent application from the main configuration software, main runtime and main configuration software, okay, from this web server. So why this software is useful, why this application, independent application, is useful? So suppose you have a tag, you have one PC and you have installed the full package of Kepserver, and you want to monitor that server to the another machine, another PC. At that time, you can browse this tag. Okay, you can browse this tag with the use of this OPC quick client. Okay, that's why this OPC quick client application is useful. So when you open from here, it will be totally blank. You have to add the browsable server that installed on your PC, either local or remote. Both can be browsable. Okay. Now second thing, when you open this quick client, it will not open directly previously configured tags. So whenever you configure any tag, you have to save this file, and then you have to open the old configure tag, old configure OPC quick client file. Okay, so whenever you monitor data, it is recommended that you save this file. Okay, localtext.otc file. But here, when you open the quick client from the main configuration studio, it will open the tag automatically which is configured. with all, it will open the all tag which is configured in this project. Okay, you can see channel 1, channel 2, all this tag into the here, channel 1 and channel 2. Okay, so this is the whole thing about the quick client, and if you have a question, please ask me, and in the review or comment box, in the question and answer box, I will surely clear your query. And thanks for watching this quick client detailed configuration video. I hope you have understand this. Thanks for watching this.